Let's be real. If you're a data analyst and you still do everything manually, then AI will soon take your job. In this video, I'm going to show you the right AI tools that you need to learn that will not only help you to keep your job, but also make you valuable. So this video will show you not just the top AI tools you need to learn, but also how to make use of them. So give this video a thumbs up, follow through to the end of this video. I'm going to share things that will help you remain relevant as a data analyst. So the first tool that we are going to talk about is Power BI Copilot and Excel Copilot. So using Copilot in Power BI, you don't need to start writing DAX formula for every analysis or calculation you want to do. Using Copilot, you can just ask it, just type what is the sales growth compared to last quarter, for example, and you're just going to do the calculation for even give you the charts for them. Okay, you can also do this using Excel. That is if you usually use Excel more than Power BI. This Copilot in Power BI and Excel just makes everything better. You can use it, just tell it the analysis you want to do. It will give you the DAX formula for it. So you don't need to crack your head thinking of how to get the correct formula for your DAX. So you should definitely try out Power BI Copilot. The second tool is ChatGPT. I know most of you are expecting this, yes, but it's part of the tool, the AI tool you need to learn. Okay, so ChatGPT is just like a junior data analyst. It's just like your partner. Okay, you can just ask ChatGPT for that query. Let's say you're even struggling with errors in your code. You can definitely just paste the error code on ChatGPT and it can tell you what is the problem and give you the correct code. And then if you are looking for a query to do a particular kind of analysis, just explain what you want to do in ChatGPT and it will definitely give you the query for that. So ChatGPT is very good for coding, usually for SQL or Python. If you don't know how to write prompts in ChatGPT, that's something you will have to learn. ChatGPT is very friendly. I use it all the time. I use it every time. The next is Google Cloud or Azure Machine Learning. That's like the third tool. If your company uses Google Workspace, then Google Cloud AI is amazing. It can help you clean data. It can help you even create dashboards. Isn't that wonderful? You don't have to do a lot of these things. It just gives you time for the problem solving that you now have to do. Okay, you don't have to spend all your time creating dashboard or spend all your time cleaning data. Google Cloud AI can do that for you. See, companies don't just want reports anymore. They even want predictive analysis. So they want you to predict things with their data. And that is where Azure machine learning tool comes in. This tool can help you make predictions with your data. Just input your data and ask it to predict the future of your data or whatever kind of data you are using. Azure machine learning agent or machine learning tool can definitely do that for you. Azure machine learning can also help you predict customer churn, even identify fraud. These tools can make you irreplaceable. Now the fourth tool, but before then, do you know there's a Google search for data analysts? Well, now you will know. There's a tool called ThoughtSpot. This tool is just like a Google search for data analysts. Input your data and instead of going ahead to create dashboards or analyze the data then creating your dashboard, you can just ask your questions there. So let's say it's a sales data with different country. You can just ask which country is making more sales. Just type it like a search. It will go through your data and give you the results. Guys, these things are just mind-blowing. These things are wonderful. You guys, you need to try it. You definitely need to try these things. So guys, before we go ahead, these four tools I just mentioned now, they are the ones you should focus on when you want to start learning AI tools for data analytics. But this next set of tools that I want to mention, they are the ones that you can start learning after these ones. So if you want to start with these first four that I just mentioned, the way you are conversant with them, you can now move into the next set of AI tools that I want to mention. And if you're still watching till now, please like and subscribe to this channel. Then leave a comment. I reply to all my comments and I answer your questions. So the next tool, which is the fifth tool for today, is called Display R. So Display R is an all-in-one tool for data analysts. Guy, this tool doesn't just prepare your data, it can build visualization for you and even derive insights from them. And it's all in plain English. Wonderful! These tools can make you irreplaceable. These things are not what every data analyst know. If you want to remain relevant, if you want to get job, you don't want AI to take your job, and you want to increase your salary, learn these things, take time and learn them. So guys, finally, the last two is KNM. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing these things well or properly, but this tool is for those that do not like coding. So this tool help you to just drag and drop steps that will clean your data, combine your data, or analyze your data. So if you struggle with writing code, then this tool is for you. You can definitely use this tool. Just you do the drag and drop step that needs to be done and it will be done for you. So now we're going to talk about how to make use of these tools together. This tool is perfect for analysts that want to just deliver results faster. And the good thing about these tools is that they take care of this part of analysis for you, that you don't have to take time and do the problem solving and critical thinking that AI tools cannot do. So let's move to the next tool. So you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm code. So you can use it to even brainstorm your analysis. Sometimes I use it to I use ChatGPT. I ask ChatGPT, this is my business statements or problem statements, right? And I'll ask you, okay, what are the important KPIs I need to create? So you can definitely use ChatGPT to brainstorm for your project, and then you can use Power BI Copilot or Excel Copilot and Display R to build your dashboard. For prediction, you can use Azure machine learning, and then if you want a quick result, a quick search, you can use ThoughtSpot. There you have it, guys. This is it for the tools you need to learn as a data analyst. Remember that AI is not going to take your job. It's only those that know how to use AI that will take your job. So if you want to be among these categories, pick these tools one after the other and begin to learn them. If you want me to make videos on how to make use of any of these tools, comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.